Hi, welcome to Lesson 5-2, Estimate Quotients with Two-Digit Divisors. Our I can statement is that I can use compatible numbers and place value patterns to estimate quotients. Please write the lesson title and I can statement in your math journal. Our problem for today states that Kyle's school needs to buy posters for a fundraiser. The school has a budget of $147. Each poster costs $13. About how many posters can your school buy? Solve this problem any way you choose. Well, we need to remember to use cubes as we're looking at how we need to solve this problem. And so I need to circle important numbers. So $147 and $13 need to be circled. I need to underline the question about how many posters can your school buy. I want to box keywords. About is a keyword because that's letting us know that we need to estimate this answer. Also cost. And then we need to evaluate and visualize this so we can really understand it. So what I do when I do that is I put myself into the story problem. I need to buy poster supplies for a fundraiser. The school has a budget of $147 and each poster will cost $13 to make. About how many posters will I be able to buy for my school? So I'm going to stop kind of my explanation. I'm going to give you a moment to work this out. Remember it says about, so this will be an estimated answer and you can solve this problem any way that you choose. Okay, so let's take a look at the problem. Since it is estimation and it's talking about in our I can statement working with compatible numbers, I'm going to show a solution that uses that. So my original number for my budget is $147. And I know that it's going to cost about $13 for each poster. And so I need to know how many posters I could buy. So I was going to work this out, the actual problem, it would look something like this. So I'm going to look at the 147 and I'm going to make the 147 150. That's a nice number for me to work with and it's pretty close to 147. Now thinking about compatible numbers, if I want a number that's close to it and I can easily do mental math using it, I'm going to change the 13 to 15. Because remember, the whole purpose of estimation in real life is so we can do very simple, quick, easy math in our head. So now I can look at this and really do mental math to work this division problem when I look here at 15 and 15. I know that 15 will go into 15 one time and 15 will go into 0 times. So that's going to tell me that I can probably buy about 10 posters with the budget that I have. Let's look at a couple other solutions. This is Penny's work. Penny did something very similar to what I did. She chose 150 because it was close to 147 and 15 because it was close to 13. 150 and 15 are compatible numbers and that allowed her to do some simple mental math. Tim's work, he chose 150 divided by 10 and he got 15 as about how many that he would be able to, posters he'd be able to create. He rounded both of his numbers to the nearest tenth and then got numbers that were easy to divide mentally. In your journal, please summarize your thinking. It could be similar to my solution or similar to one of Tim's solution in the examples, or it might have been a different way altogether. Please write a short paragraph explaining your thinking in detail and be ready to share your problem-solving method in class tomorrow.